Tired of crypto restrictions and ready for more control? Let's break free and transfer your crypto from Robinhood to Kraken. First, understand that Robinhood might not allow direct crypto transfers for all coins, so you may need to convert to a supported cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum before proceeding. Next, log into your Kraken account if you don't have one, sign up a Circumflex Euros. The link is in the description. Make sure you've completed any required identity verification steps for Kraken. On Kraken, navigate to the funding section, typically found under Deposit or Withdraw. This is where you'll initiate the deposit of your crypto. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, for example Bitcoin or Ethereum, from the deposit options. Kraken will then display a deposit address for that specific cryptocurrency. This address is crucial. Copy this address carefully and double-check it for accuracy. You can also use the QR code if transferring via a mobile device. Now, open your Robinhood app and navigate to your crypto holdings. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Look for a Send, Withdraw, or Transfer option. This might be under a Move Crypto section. Robinhood will ask for the recipient's wallet address. This is where you paste the Kraken deposit address you copied earlier. TRIPLECHECK, this address, a single mistake can result in permanent loss of funds. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal amounts or transfer fees Robinhood might have. Robinhood will likely present a confirmation screen. Review all the details carefully. Paying close attention to the address and amount, confirm the transfer. The transfer time will vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Keep an eye on both your Robinhood account and your Kraken account for updates. You can usually track progress using the transaction ID. Once the transaction is confirmed, your cryptocurrency will appear in your Kraken account. Now you're ready to trade and explore the features of the Kraken exchange.